Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, April the 1st, 2014. I'm host Almaden Minerals. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. And as usual, every morning I go through a bunch of press releases to find the best ones that stand out to me, give you some insights into what it is in the news that stood out. And also what I see in their stock charts. The ultimate goal is to help you find good companies to do your homework on. We try to keep the show to about a 10-minute time frame. We've got 5 companies to talk about today, so I'm going to get right to it. The first company today is Virtutone Networks. Virtutone Networks is an AGORACOM sponsor. Virtutone Networks announced that they had $9.12 million in revenue for the month of March. They've also been working on increasing their margins on their various different products that they offer, and there definitely seems to look good that revenue is growing as are margins. The stock is down $0.015 today to 43 cents on 146,000 shares traded hands. Stock's been in a pretty good move, pretty bullish move since October, and lately been coming off a bit, but now trading at one of the key moving averages level. So that's a bullish trend as far as I can see. Higher highs, higher lows on that company. VFX is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Spartan Energy. Spartan Energy provided their corporate update on their reserve summary and Renegade Petroleum Ltd. 2013 financial and reserves information. They've increased their proven and probable. You can find that details on what the mix is of natural gas and gas and their million barrels of oil equivalent. It's all in the press release you can find on the company's that company's news today. The market liked the news. The stock's 12 cents today to $3.33. On little over 1 million shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart, and this was a very sleepy trader back in before December. They must have went through some kind of rebirth because as of December, they started trading at a much higher level, much more consistent. Lately, it's been going through a bit of a cup type formation. We'd like to see a bit of a handle form now over the next week, 10 days. But then I think it's ready to go higher. The stock looks very bullish. The symbol is SPE, and that trades on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Kennady Diamonds. Kennady Diamonds had drill results out from their Kelvin kimberlite up in the Northwest Territories near where they have a joint venture with De Beers on the Gaucho Q kimberlite, and they're getting good results right beside it as well on this Kelvin kimberlite. Had another nice thick intersection there of kimberlite. You can find that in the press release today. Stock's up 4.5% or 19 cents per share. Last at $4.45 on 8,600 shares traded. This isn't a big trader, but it also doesn't have a lot of stock out, which kind of coincides. It's been sort of in an inflection point or basing period over the last, I want to say, 2-3 months. And the fact that it's staying up there, I think, is a good sign that when it breaks out from this inflection point, the next move will be to the upside. KDI is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Hemisphere Energy. Hemisphere Energy announced their proven and probable reserves have increased by 64% in the proven plus probable reserves in 2013. They had some very good numbers in there. You can find the breakdown on how much is oil and how much is gas, as well as other important details there. The company's press release today. Stock reacted quite nicely. It's up 4.3% to 72 cents on 61,000 shares traded hands. This one had a nice move from the December lows, was trading around 45 cents, moved all the way up to 85 cents, has given back some of those gains, but it is nearing a support level, or at least I would think it's a support level. It formerly was a resistance level that they broke through back in September. So I'm looking for it to find some support here, and then I think that would be a good spot to move up from. I'm liking what I'm seeing in the company's news and in their stock chart. So I think I'll be talking about this one on the Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News Show. HME is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Last up is Almaden Minerals. Almaden Minerals provided an update for their exploration of their Ixtaca gold-silver zone on their Tillichtik project. They now are moving forward with the preliminary economic assessment by a couple of independent firms. And that will help them. They've updated their mineral resource, and that'll be a basis for their PEA, and they're also doing engineering studies. So they're doing a lot of work on that. We've talked several times on the shows about that Tillichtik project. Looks like a good one. Stock's up a penny today on only 1,500 shares traded hands, last at $1.51. Stock had a bottom back in December, moved up very aggressively off that bottom, basically made a 100% move, has given back about 50% of that move, and I'm looking for it to gain some support. I think that's what's happening, and this is another one that I could see myself talking about on the Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News Show. AMM is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. That's all the news for today. As always, before making any investment decision, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Check our shows out Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday on the front page of AGORACOM. There's a news section on the top right-hand side. You can also find all of our shows on blog.agoracom and on my website at alanberryreports.com. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.